Hi, my name is Joseph Mario Kosa. My pronouns are he, him. I'm a self taught web engineer from Nigeria. A while ago, I came across Outreachy, hugely impressed by their mission, especially the drive to foster diversity and inclusion in the tech ecosystem. Upon visiting the website, I couldn't help but notice that it seemed rather bland and monotonous with a not so great user experience. You should be able to at least have an idea of what a website is all about without necessarily having to read too many lines of text. And even if you have to read text, it should be properly designed and pleasing to the eye. Anyone visiting the Outreach website should immediately be able to tell that this is a safe space where diversity and inclusion is prioritized and they are welcome. This is why I took it upon myself to give a taste of what the Outreach website could look like. I built this using TypeScript and Next.js. As you can see from the onset, there's already a free flow of animation instantly catching the eye and bringing the environment to life. A soothing blend of colors. I maintained the variation of the green from the original website because I wanted there to be some sort of correspondence between the original website and this, so it's not totally out of sync. From the get-go, you can already tell that this is a place where you're welcome no matter your race, gender, or sexuality. A portion of the colors of the rainbow flag gliding across the title, kind of like a searchlight. I thought that was a good look to things. With the diversity of hands in the background reaching across the table to each other, outreaching, if you may. Here you have a nicely animated navigation bar, and at the bottom you have the cards with very telling imagery and a nice color blend. I really like this. I think it looks pretty good. Please note that every single content on the landing page of the original Outreachy website is properly and duly represented here, only better designed and properly formatted. On this next section, you can see the nicely framed image scaling into the scene, well animated. I think the picture speaks for itself. On the left, you can see the range of colors gliding across the title, looking really nice. Over here, you have one of my favorite parts. You have the rainbow flag with the globe rotating in the center. This, in a nutshell, I think encompasses a whole lot of what Outreachy is all about. This simply says no matter what part of the world you're from, your orientation, this platform is for you. And over here, you have the nice title with the Outreachy statistics outlining its representation. I don't mean to sound like a broken record, but once again, these content is gotten from the original Outreachy website. This is a section outlining the dates for the various events on Outreachy. And over here you have the various Outreachy links with a nice and soothing background, looking good. And down below you have our sponsors, nicely formatted. And finally, you have the footer, also incorporated a hot air balloon imagery from the original website with a very nice and well formatted layout, bringing an end to what is a very enticing as well as engaging web page. All I'm seeking is an opportunity to earn a living. Where I come from, talent really isn't enough to get you out of poverty. You need access to opportunities. And unfortunately, this is something I'm seriously lacking at the moment, which is why I've resolved to means like this in order to propel myself. I am proficient in JavaScript, CSS, TypeScript, React.js, Next.js, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, Git control, Docker, Kubernetes, microservices, and many, many more, which I'm still learning every single day. I'm soliciting for an opportunity to 1. Either be considered worthy enough to partake in your internship program. My internship could consist of revamping your entire Outreachy website into something more palatable and eye-catching. This way, the organization will not only be doing something amazing and kind for a lad like me, but such an arrangement will be a net positive for the organization as you would end up with a website worthy of your name. Or, and this may be a bit of a stretch, but maybe an actual job. I'm way beyond just a web engineer. I'm well educated. I have a history in other fields like digital marketing, customer services, things that have helped shape me into the person I am today. And most importantly, I am a very fast learner. I am confident I'll be a net positive to any team I am privileged to be a part of. And in that light, I am hoping for a response, whether positive or negative, all will be taken in good faith. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening.